Hello everyone. I am back with another topic of water resources, that is water harvesting. Before discussing this particular topic of water harvesting, we will discuss besides whatever we had completed in this chapter. The chapter start by describing the availability of fresh water on the earth's surface, and further it explains the causes of water scarcity and the needs of conserving and managing water resources. And we had also learned about the multi-purpose of river projects in India also, and it integrated water resources management. And the chapter will ends with the topic of rainwater harvesting and the different methods of adopting the rainwater harvesting in different areas, and it explained in depth in this chapter. So there are many ways for water harvesting, that is drain water, groundwater, river water, flood water. Okay, so all the living things including plants, animals and human beings need to be live and to carry out different cellular activities regarding water. So how we ever imagined a day without water? No, we have not, and it is hard to imagine. We all use water for the different kinds of day-to-day activities such as cleaning, washing, bathing, cooking, drinking, and other domestic and industrial activities too. So water is a important or a precious and essential for an abiotic component of the ecosystem. So today we all are suffering with the problem of scarcity of water, and this is mainly because of lack of water conservation and pollution of water bodies that we had already seen. So let us not waste a drop of water and start conserving water for further use. So there are different methods used for conserving water, and let us learn about the rainwater harvesting. Okay, what do you mean by rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is the simple process or technology we use to conserve rainwater by collecting, storing, conveying and purifying too of rainwater that runs off from rooftops and open grounds, etc. So how we harvest the rainwater? Rainwater harvesting system consists some points, that is first one is catchment, conveying system, flush, filter, tanks and recharge structure. Okay, let's discuss point by point, that is catchment. Catchment is nothing but a use to collect and store the capture rainwater. Okay, convenience system, it is used to transport and harvested water from the catchment to the recharge zone. And the flush, it is used to flush out the first spell of rain. And filter is, it is used of filtering the collected rainwater and remove pollutants. And tanks structure is used for the structure of filter water which is ready to use. So for this is the process of rainwater harvesting, which involving the collection and the storage of rainwater with the help of artificial design system that run off naturally or man-made catchment, that is like rooftop and rock surface, hilly slope. These all are the artificial repaired where we can store the water. There is the example in Rajasthan, that is tanks of Rajasthan, you can see in the picture. So the quantum of runoff, features of catchment and the impact of environment, these are all the factors that affecting the important role to harvest water. So why do we harvest rainwater? Why there is need to harvest rainwater? So the rainwater harvesting system is one of the best method practiced and followed to support the conservation of water. So today the scarcity of good quality of water has become an important cause of concern, that is significant cause of concern. So however, the rainwater which is pure and good quality can be used for irrigation, washing, cleaning, bathing, cooking, and also our livestock requirements. Okay, there are some advantages of rainwater. What are the advantages of rainwater harvesting? It is less cost and help in reducing the water bill, and also decrease the demand of water and reduces the need of imported water, and promotes both water and energy conservation, improves the quality and quantity of groundwater, does not require a filtration system for landscape irrigation. This technology is relatively simple and easy to install and operate too, and it also reduces the soil erosion, storm water runoff, flooding, and pollution of surface water with fertilizers, pesticides, metal, and other sediments are there. So it is an excellent source of water for landscape irrigation with no chemical and dissolved salt and free from all minerals. And also there is some disadvantages of rainwater. This is the process of does not waste the and save earth. Okay, so I am talking about there are also some disadvantages of water resources. What are they? It is regular maintenance, it is required, and it require the technical skill for installation, and limited, and no rainfall can limit the supply of rainwater, and if not installed correctly, then it may be attract mosquitoes and other waterborne diseases. Okay, one of the significant drawback of rainwater harvesting is system is storage limit is very frequent. Here we can end over this topic.